Rob Holland here, World Challenge driver for the K-pax Racing Volvo C30 team. We are here at the St. Petersburg Grand Prix. We're in a place that looks like my tiny apartment, but is actually the driver's lounge in one of our rigs. We're here to talk to you today about safety gear. Safety gear is one of those things that kind of gets pushed under the table for a lot of guys, but for us it's foremost in our minds. So I want to walk you through it so you guys get a good idea of what we deal with on a day-to-day basis. First thing is we've got our first layer. This is Nomex underwear. Basically it is long pants, long shirts. People try to kind of cop out a little bit on that, go the short sleeve route. Don't, it's not worth it. We've got the long underwear. We've got the long base layer top. This stuff is good. It really works very, very well. It wicks a lot of the moisture away from your skin as well as protecting you in a fire. Nomex socks. Guys forget about these all the time. Yeah, don't wear your little tennis socks or whatever in a fire. They don't do a good job. Nomex balaclava. Protect your head. Now we get to the real good stuff. Our brand spanking new Oakley driving suits. Custom made. These things are basically a triple layer Nomex suit. Give you about 30 seconds to get out of a car in case of a fire. They've got all the seams that are velcroed in, so that way you don't have anything exposed, so that if the car does catch fire, you do have some opportunity to basically get out in one piece. I'm sure you guys have all seen the Charles Espinlaw piece on Grassroots Motorsports. That right there is living testament to why you need one of these. Last piece of safety gear we've got, driver's helmet. Protect your head in a crash, along with the Hans device. Prevents basal skull fractures, which is basically a really pleasant way of saying preventing your head from leaving your body in the case of a crash. All this stuff hugely important to our safety and World Challenge. Let's go out to the car and take a look at what else we've got inside. Want to go through all the safety systems we've got in the car to protect us in case of an emergency. A lot of this stuff is standard stuff that you guys will see on the SCCA club racing cars, but in the pro level we've kind of taken it to a whole nother extreme. Starting off, we've got our 3R built roll cage. These guys spent several weeks on getting this thing just absolutely dialed. It's TIG welded, chromoly steel. We've got a 6-point attachment here, really to protect the car in case of a rollover. Also helps with stiffening the chassis, but for us, we really look for safety from a driver standpoint. Going inside, actually, we also have got an addition that a lot of teams don't have. We actually have a crush box here as opposed to a driver's actual cage, like a NASCAR cage. These things are a carbon fiber honeycomb composite. These things are ridiculously strong, built by Pratt & Miller. They integrate really well with the cage, and that's one of the new things I think you guys will be seeing in the next few years.
My name is Aaron Colwell. I'm the team manager here for the K-pax touring car team. One of the new safety features you're starting to see a lot in sports car racing and here in World Challenge are crush boxes in the driver's door side. You can do two things. You can either put a double door bar in or these great crush boxes. And what this does is it dissipates the energy in case a car hits the door here, and it protects the drivers. Keeps the bars from bending in and encroaching on the driver. One thing you have to be careful of is when you use these, you have to design the bar so that the vertical bars divert the force into the chassis so that it spreads the load and it absorbs all the shock. But it does a great job of protecting the drivers.
In addition to that, we've got our fire suppression system. We've got our buttons by the door, so not only can the driver pull it, but if the driver forgets to pull it on his way out, one of the safety guys can reach in, pop the button, hopefully save the car, or if the driver's incapacitated, can also save the driver. Right next to that, we've got our electrical system switch. Turn off the electrical systems in case there's a gas leak. We want to make sure that that doesn't catch fire as well. Going inside the car, we've got a head restraint system on our seats. That way, for side impacts, you don't have a problem with the driver's neck and getting injured. From there, we've got our window nets on the driver's side. We've got a very simple way of actually activating it. It's a seat belt mechanism. It's easy to pop for the driver to get out. We've got a 15-second limit for us to be able to get out to the car from full stop to the driver's completely out of the car. We do an exit test every single year to make sure every driver knows how to get out of these cars. In addition, we've got our great Race Tech seat belts. It's a 6-point system. We've got a lap belt as well as a crotch belt. Allows us with a quick release to allow us to pop it once again to get out of that car in 15 seconds. The last piece we've got here is also we've got a passenger side net. Prevents the driver from flying out of the car on the other side. A lot of people don't realize that in a hard impact, drivers can actually go to the other side of the car. We've actually seen extremes where the driver has gone out of the passenger side window. So having these nets in place to keep the driver fully integrated into the car in case of an emergency, hugely important. That's pretty much it for our safety systems and World Challenge. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll hopefully see you at the races. Thanks.
How you doing?